Thank you. This next song is another cover of a band out of Nashville called The Man in the Mountain. This is their song, Oh Little Bird.